How to log into Xcart. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Xcart. Login in Xcart is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Xcart, type Xcart login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on that hard link, it will take you directly to the login page. Find the login option. Once you are on the Xcart homepage, click on sign in located at top right corner of the page. Click on it. Enter your credential. On the login page, you will typically see fields to enter your email address and your password. Input the email address associated with Xcart in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on forgot your password. And if you don't have an account yet, click on create an account. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Once logged in, you should have access to your Xcart profile. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.